Kardashian stepped out in New York on Sunday wearing a rubber catsuit that molded to her body. The Keeping Up with the Kardashians star covered her face with her hand, but she was unmissable in the charcoal one-piece. The mom of three teamed the futuristic look with gray boots and a denim jacket and wore her raven tresses in messy waves over one shoulder. Kim, 37, chatted on her phone in the Big Apple and held her jacket open, revealing the full extent of the impressive catsuit that hugged her curves from her neck to her ankles. The star was in New York to support her husband Kanye West, 41, who performed "I Love It" with Lil Pump on Saturday Night Live. Kanye delivered a bizarre performance on SNL, dressed as a champagne bottle. He bopped around the stage in the outfit alongside Lil Pump, with his smiling face peeping from the neck of the green bottle. Later in the show he put on a red "Make America Great Again" cap, made famous by President Donald Trump. Kanye, who has been criticized for his admiration for Trump, delivered a divisive speech that was caught on camera by comedian Chris Rock as he watched in the audience. Kim Kardashian turns heads in New York as she steps out in a skin-tight rubber catsuit.